Today we are going to take a look at 3 delicious drinks to ward off the seasonal flus. Let's start with the classic golden tea. It's your traditional milk and turmeric drink, but with some added flavors. For this drink, substitute cow milk with warm coconut milk, which is easier to digest and is known to increase stamina and help you lose weight. Add a thin slice of ginger for a sweet and pungent aroma. Then goes a pinch of turmeric and some freshly ground pepper. Top it off with raw honey for natural sweetness. I've used a chopper to grate the ginger, and since I'm making this milk in a small batch, but you can simply use a juicer. Blend the mixture and strain it for a velvety smooth drink. Ginger is known to fight germs and soothe sore muscles. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and aids in digestion. And for cold infection and sore throats, there is nothing more relieving than honey. If you're a picky eater, this green smoothie is a delicious way to sneak some greens into your meal. Slice a few pieces of cucumber, pineapple, spinach, and banana. You can swap out the spinach with some fresh mint or any leafy greens of your choice. Add some grated ginger, a few spoons of honey, and pour in some coconut water. Cucumbers promote hydration, pineapples suppress inflammation, and contain disease-fighting antioxidants. Spinach boosts your immunity and aids in a good bone health. And bananas are obviously a great source of magnesium. Combine them all together and you have green heaven in a glass. Next up is the ABC juice, which is the ABC of building your way towards a healthy immunity. Named after the 3 key ingredients, apple, beetroot, and carrot, this simple drink is rich in vitamins, fibers, and antioxidants. All you need is to give it a good spin in the blender. Then strain it well with a cheesecloth. This juice is extremely effective in rejuvenating cells as well as expelling toxins from your body, lowering blood pressure and boosting the immune system. It works well for digestion, weight loss, as well as your skin and eye health. The ingredients used in these drinks are easy to find and simple enough to combine together in a delicious mixture. Whether you're looking to develop seasonal immunity or to achieve a healthier body all throughout the year, these homemade smoothies may just be your saving grace.